Dŵr is one of the most important words in Welsh because without dŵr, we don't last very long. But the word dŵr itself has been around for ages as well. If we jump back to Middle Welsh, people said dwfr. Go back even further and we find a Brythonic word, a sort of early Welsh, Cornish, Breton mix that sounded like dyfr. Before that, in a super ancient Celtic language called Proto-Celtic, there was a word dwfros. It meant something like deep water, and that probably comes from an even older language, again with a word simply meaning deep. You can still hear the family today. In Breton, they say dowr. In Cornish, they say dowr. And in Irish, there's dowr, like a dowrchu, a water hound, an otter. So every time you say dŵr, you're using a word that's been flowing through our languages for thousands of years.